The far north, a place where life survives against all odds. Here, ice and silence stretch to the edge of the world. But long ago, this frozen desert was alive with giants. The woolly mammoth, colossal, gentle, and built for an age of ice. For thousands of years, they shaped the Arctic plains, trampling snow into fertile ground, spreading seeds beneath the frozen sky. They lived in herds, families bound by warmth and memory, each generation walking the paths carved by their ancestors. But then the ice began to melt. The giants disappeared, not all at once, but with the slow turning of time. The tundra fell silent. But what if they could return? Scientists today are unlocking the frozen code of life, the DNA of vanished giants. If these creatures walked the tundra again, could they heal what the ice left behind? Beyond science, there's a deeper question. What do we owe the creatures we've lost? And what might we learn if they were to return? They shaped the frozen world once before, and perhaps one day they'll walk it again. Join the journey on Vibe Sparks.